Speaking at the 18th edition of the Education Summit, organized at the Sheraton Grand Pune Bund Garden Hotel in Pune on 14th October 2023, Dr. Seema Negi, Director Principal, Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai, spoke to the Edu Bulletin and shared her thoughts about the summit, about how the holistic needs of all the students are met, and about how to use technology for the benefits of teachers and students. Let's hear her thoughts.
We have with us Seema Negi. She is the Director Principal of Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. Welcome to the summit, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It was an honor to be here.
So, how's your experience being here, and how much have you, learned new things from here?
See, I am a lifelong learner and I'm a very curious learner. So, it's not about what you have learned. It is about how much are you going to implement.
Absolutely.
So, I always prefer that sometimes we make a lot of notes and we do not refer to those notes again ever. So, the practice that we follow in our school is whatever I have learned or heard from all the experts, we'll ensure that 3 things we implement in our school.
Okay.
So, for me, that becomes learning. So, I always look forward for these learning zones like conferences so that we can go learn from the best practices which are happening around the world and bring it back to our students.
Right, absolutely. But as they say, कि हाथ की 5 उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती, and we have different set of students from different backgrounds. So how do you make sure at your school, the educational as well as holistic needs of all the students are being met?
See, जैसे हाथ की 5 उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती, वैसे ही एक सेट टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी सब बच्चों के लिए नहीं होती. The way it is said that one size fits all is not the approach. 90% बच्चे को 100% ले आए तो कौन सी बड़ी बात है. So we focus that, see, our class is divided into various kind of activities, various kind of zones and various kind of learning that our teachers take to class.
Right.
If a child is say 40% child, again, yes, our target is to bring the child to 60%.
Absolutely.
By the end of the year, all the children, they achieve the milestone that we make for themselves, that this is what they have to achieve. So we don't have anything called report card day or open house day.
Okay.
It is achievers day. So every child is an achiever. So there is no one who fails. It's all who achieve because we celebrate their learning. And yes, special remediation is there. And my teachers, then they become the mentors for those children. And mentors are like parallel parents. So they know the entire schedule about the child and ensure that all the learning milestones of the child are fulfilled as much as per the capacity and capability of the child.
Right, absolutely. So we talk about empowering the teachers as well, and then only we can have the students who are ready for the 21st century. So share your experience how we can empower the teachers as well, so that they can teach the students of tomorrow with the technology that they have available today.
Correct. So when we talk about training teachers with technology, our school train in a lot of aspects when it comes to teacher, or we make sure that teachers are trained with the latest technology, whatever comes in the market and whatever is needed for these students. Latestly, if we talk about chat GPT and everything, we make sure that our teachers are well equipped with that thing, and a lot of other AI tools also. So eventually we take a lot of sessions, ma'am take a lot of sessions for our teachers. So we make sure that our teachers are upgraded with the technology, and that the same thing goes in our classroom.
Right. So just wanted to ask, what's that one thing that keeps you going every day?
Students. Happiness there. Happiness the moment you enter school, you get the chance to nurture, if I say the number of students that are in our school, 17. So every morning I get a chance to nurture 1717 students.
Right.
That is the biggest motivation. So that takes us every day to school. That tells us to be innovative, be curious, and our beautiful teachers who have now become so curious that we have to start thinking out of the box kind of trainings for them. So what keeps us going basically is our team.
Right, absolutely, and we wish you all the best, and we are glad that you're here, and it was great having you here, as you were participating fully in all the sessions that you were attending and also in the panel as well. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being here and sharing your views and thoughts with us.
Thank you so much. Pleasure being here. Thank you.
Thank you, Kinjal. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was great learning.
Thank you.
And you're